Hey guys, this is DeSHANTA B. I believe this is part 6 to my smoked turkey wings and smoked sausage Yaka Mein soup. So guys, these turkey wings have been cooking for about 2.5, almost 3 hours. But in the interim, this is what I have done. I went and I removed, excuse me guys, I removed all of the seasoning blend that didn't kind of disappear in the broth. I decided to take that out. And also guys, in the last video where I was sauteing the sausage and I had a little coughing fit, that was due to the fact of the Tony C seasoning. Something in it just got stuck in my throat. And guys, I've said it before, I have so many allergic reactions to so many things. So what I did was I just went and rinsed off this sausage. You don't have to do the same thing. And I'm going to use a different Creole seasoning for the turkey broth. So now what we're going to do, I'm going to prop this camera up and we're going to check the tenderness of the smoked turkey wings. Then we're going to add the rest of the broth seasonings. If the turkey wings are tender enough, I'm going to remove them, let them cool down and shred them. And this turkey broth should be done. Once again, guys, if you want to speed up the process, you can use turkey breast. Also, this is no way near the authentic Louisiana or New Orleans, excuse me, guys, Yaka Mein soup. It's just that I have a lot of allergies, guys, and I'm trying to find foods that I can eat. Okay, moving on. Okay, guys, I'm about to remove the foil from the pot. Of course, if you have the pot top, please use it. It's just that I just moved and I can't find anything. Okay, so you're probably going to get the steam on the camera, but it'll clear up. Let me make sure that you can see. Yeah, that's a good enough picture. So guys, right now I'm just going to test the tenderness of the smoked turkey wings. Okay, they're starting to fall apart from the bone. Yes. Look at that, guys. Almost exactly where I want it. So what I'm going to do now is that I'm going to remove the smoked turkey from the broth. As you can see, there's still some of the seasoning blend, which is not that bad. It's not that much. Yes, this turkey appears to be right where I want it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove the turkey from the broth and I will be right back. Okay guys, hopefully this will not fall apart on me. I'm just going to place the turkey into a bowl. You see how tender that is? So I'm just going to let this turkey cool down and then I'm going to shred it. I am not going to use the skin, guys. There's still some turkey inside of the broth, but that's fine with me. Okay guys, I'm waiting for the phone to clear up. I'm getting a call. If I hang up, I'm going to lose the footage. Okay. So let me bring this right here. So right now, oops, bear with me guys. This is when you have defunct equipment. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to start to add all of the seasonings that I have for the broth. The first thing I'm going to start with is the roasted chicken bedded in bouillon. I don't know where my measuring utensils are, guys. So I'm just going to add 2 of these to the broth. Now I'm going to add 1 of the beef base bedded in bouillon, as per my son. So now I'm going to add the onion powder, the garlic powder. Now remember, guys, you can always add, but you can't take away. So you want to do a little at a time and then taste it and gauge the taste from there. I also have the liquid smoke. Now this is concentrated, guys, so you only want to do a little bit at a time. That's it. I have some soy sauce. Worcestershire sauce. Smoked paprika. The Seafood Magic by Chef Prudhomme.